Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and happy. Today, we are going to start a new lesson from your physics, that is force and pressure. Today, we will discuss about force. Here, Unit 1, turning effect of force and pressure. The first unit, turning effect of force and pressure. First, we will recall about what is the force. What is the force? We know that in general language we can say pulling or pushing are called force, pulling or pushing. Otherwise we can say to move any object. What is the cause? Means by applying force only any object can move from there. So the external cause which is making the object to move, that is called force. We apply turning effect of force on a daily basis. What then? Force is pulling or pushing. Then what is turning effect of force? That is movement. What is the turning effect of force? In our daily basis, for example, we use devices such as levers. But in some circumstances, we need to prevent turning effect of forces by balancing them with an opposing moment. The turning effect of a single force about a fixed point is called the moment. You can imagine, suppose to open the door. This is the door. To open the door, here there will be a knob. So on this knob, we will push the door. Then the door will take rotation about this axis. So after taking, it will not completely take rotation. Just some place it takes the turn. Take turn. This is called a type of movement is called turning effect. The turning effect of a single force about a fixed point. By about a fixed point it taking turn, that is called the moment. In other words, a moment is the turning effect of a force around a fixed point. Turning effect of a force around a fixed point is called moment or turning effect. For example, this could be door opening around a fixed hinge or a spanner turning around a nut. So, this is a spanner around a nut. So, to open this nut, the spanner will take here the rotation. So, after setting like this, we will take the turn here. So, that time we can say that this nut is, to open this nut, we will make it to turn. So, that is called turning effect. So, to make this turn, we will apply force. The force effect of force on a single force about a fixed point, through which point it is taking turn, that effect of force is called turning effect or moment of force. The moment depends on two factors: the force applied, then how much force you applied on it to make turn. Then the perpendicular distance from the fixed point to the line of action of the force. Then here, for example, you are applying the force on the door. Suppose if you apply force here, can you easy to open the door? No. So then how much far you will take from the axis to apply the force? That much more turn you will get. So here if you apply force, you will get more turn. Here if you apply force, here if you hold that, you will get less force of effect, that is turning effect will get. So it depends on how much force you are applying and how much the point of action of force, where you are holding that for to take the turn. So how much far if you take from the fulcrum to, that much will get the turning effect. These two are the factors to get the turning effect. Then what is the mathematical formula for turning effect? Turning effect, another name moment. Don't confuse. Turning effect, another name is moment. So moment M is equal to force into distance. The distance is from the fulcrum to about the point, about a fixed point it is taking turn. From the fixed point to the point of force where you applied. The distance between them we have taken here. F is applied force, D is perpendicular distance from the line of action of force, that is about a fixed axis it is rotating from the axis to the point where you applied the force. In between the perpendicular distance is taken as the D. So then moment is equal to force into D. D here the distance between the axis of about a fixed point and the point of force where we are applying. So this is the formula for the moment. Now couple. What is a couple? A pair of equal sized turning forces acting in different directions is called a couple. We know that you can imagine a steering. So to drive the car, how the force will be applied on steering. So both the side will put hands, both the sides we will keep our hands and apply force on both the sides. So here this applying to this direction, this applying this direction. Like the seesaw game. You know the seesaw game? Here there will be a fulcrum. Here one girl or boy will be sit and then here another girl or... So that time one comes downward and another automatically go upward. And another if she comes down then she will go up. So these are examples of couple. The two equal and opposite forces acting on the same object at the same time. Acting on the same object but equal and opposite forces acting on the same object at the same time, those are called couple. And the turning moment caused by couple is called torque. How much turn takes place? That is called torque. The turning effect moment caused by the couple. The turning moment caused by the couple is called torque. So now unit of moment of force. Then every physical quantity after learning the definition we will discuss about the units. Then moment formula is force into distance. Then the SI unit. Force SI unit is Newton, distance is meter. Then SI units of moment is Newton and meter. Then if you come to the CGS unit, here did not mention, better to learn. So Newton's force ka SI units dyne and meters. It is distance SI unit. Then distance CGS units centimeter. Then moment CGS units are dyne centimeters. So today's session we discussed what is the turning effect of force or moment definition and the mathematical formula for the moment or turning effect of force and what is a couple and what is the torque and the units of moment of force. Thank you children. Have a nice day.